Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use multiple effects on one TikTok video. Have you ever wondered how users are creating videos with multiple effects on one video? If yes, then keep watching. On your iPhone, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to record a video. This will take you to TikTok's recording screen. Now, before you begin recording, your first step is to configure your settings. So set your song, set how many seconds you want to record for, set your speed, filters, and any enhancements to the scene. Next, tap on effects at the bottom left. From here, choose an effect from the window. Then tap on the screen to return back to the recording mode. Record your first scene with the first effect. Once you're done with the first effect, tap on the effects again and then choose another effect from that window. Then tap on the screen to return back to the recording mode. Tap on the recording button to record your second scene with the second effect. Then repeat this process until you have reached to the end of the recording limit. Once the recording limit has been reached, this will then take you to the editing screen. Here you can review your recorded video, add your text, effects, and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to use multiple effects on one TikTok video. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.